Good morning, everybody. My name is Ms. Nunes, and I am a computer science teacher working primarily with middle school students this year. And we are going through the CS Discoveries curriculum on code.org. Right now, we are in Unit 3, which is the interactive animations and game design. And so today we're going to look at Lesson 12. So to start this, of course, the first thing that we want to do is we want to click on the purple Lesson Resources button over here in the corner. So let's do that, and it's going to take us to everything that we need to know as a student. So we can see that we have some new introduced code, which is world.framerate, and we have function draw. So we have two new pieces of code to take a look at. We also have a video that you can watch. I'm going to let you watch that on your own. And then once you watch that, that's actually going to be the very first thing you want to do. So once you watch that, then you're going to move into the levels. And so we're going to start with level 1. All right, so level 1 is going to be a predict level. And this is where you look at the code and you decide, hey, what am I doing here? And then you're going to enter your answer into this gray space. So I'm going to restart this because I want us to actually do that together. All right. All right, so it says this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. That's the video that I told you would be good to watch before you start this. If you missed the video, you can come up to help and tips right here, and there it is, Introduction to the Draw Loop. All right, so go watch that, and then we're going to get started. So draw loop, here's an example of the draw loop at work. Do this, discuss with your partner what will be drawn on the screen and why. Record your prediction in the box below. Run the program to see what this program does. So you can see that the run button is grayed out. You can't click on it, and that's because you have to enter your prediction first. And so down here, we can see that line 1 says, discuss with your partner what will be drawn on the screen and why. Line 2 says, record your prediction in the box. Line 3, run the program to see what this program does. So line 4 says no stroke. And if we click on this, okay, it's view only, so we can't click on it. But there's no stroke. And then 5 says fill, C green. And then 6 is empty, and then 7 is a function. So the function says draw, and it says ellipse, random number 0 to 400, random number 0 to 400. So we know that an ellipse is a circle, and we know that the first two blocks are X and Y. So it looks like it's going to appear somewhere randomly between this top corner and this bottom corner. So my prediction is I believe we'll see, it's random and draw. So I'm going to say circles. I don't know. And actually, we're going to say see green circles appear somewhere on the screen. That's my prediction. So once you put in your prediction, then we're going to press run and see what happens. And sure enough, we've got circles appearing somewhere on the screen. All right, and we can see that it's happening over and over and over again. So in our head, we already know that this is going to repeat itself, right? It wasn't just one circle, it was a lot of circles. All right, so we're going to press finish, and I will see you on the next level.